Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we explore the world of car accessories and bring you the latest fashion trends. So we have something special for you. But before we get into that, let me ask you a question. Have you ever wondered how much this license plate frame cost? Okay, I will give you the answer at the end of this video. Now let's get in our result. This aluminum license plate frame is made from high quality materials, perfectly designed to be the ultimate accessories for your vehicle. Now let me take you through all the incredible features that make this product a must-have. The first thing that sets our license plate frame apart is its perfect fit. This license plate frame is engineered to seamlessly fit over most license plates, ensuring a stylish, custom look. No more worries about mismatched or inappropriate frames. One of the most outstanding features of our license plate frame is stunning appearance. Made of high-quality aluminum, it not only adds an elegant touch to your vehicle, but also grabs everyone's attention. The stylish, glossy finish of this frame complements any car color, making it a versatile choice for all car owners. We understand the importance of durability in car accessories, so our license plate frames are built to last, and they have the excellent corrosion resistance to stand the test of time, ensuring their long-lasting quality. Now, let's talk about the intangible benefits. Our license plate frames will not only enhance the looks of your car, but also boost your confidence while driving. You can't help but feel proud knowing your vehicle looks better. If you are ready to change the looks of your car and make a statement on the road, visit our website or check out the descriptions below for more information. In addition, you have the option to purchase both the license plate frame and the license plate. Okay, the price of the license plate frame is $2.5. Thank you for your watching and stay tuned for the upcoming Canvas Shoes series in the next video.